In this video, we are going to learn nesting function, or we can say multiple function. We have already used if function, but it was only one function. But in this video, we are going to use if function and AND function. How we can use this multiple function, we will learn in this video. First, I will explain you the scenario. In H5 cell over here, or in was goal mid column, we have performed only one test, and that was if salesperson achieve the target or more than that target, write yes, otherwise no. In bonus status column over here, or in I5 cell, we want that salesperson should achieve monthly target and he must also achieve week target of rupees 8,000 or more. If salesperson achieve both the target, then answer should be true, otherwise false. So we want both the condition must be fulfilled. So instead of if function, now we will use AND function. In this scenario, there are two ways. I will explain you both the way. In first way, first click to I5 cell like this and then press equal sign and then write AND and then do double click. Then click FX over here. The moment we click FX, new window will appear in front of us. First click to logical one argument, this one. According to our condition, salesperson should achieve monthly sales and we have already figured it out in was goal met column. So in logical one argument, we will select H5 cell like this because we have already figured it out. According to our second condition, salesperson should also achieve weekly target of rupees 8,000 and more. For this, we will click to logical 2 argument and in that we will write B5 greater than equal to 8,000 because currently we are looking for Nick and Nick sales amount is in row number 5. But in logical 2 argument we have written for week 1 only. We have to write for all the week. So now we will click to logical 3 argument. There we will write C5 greater than equal to 8,000. Then we will click to logical 4 argument. There we will write T5 greater than equal to 8,000. Then for last week we will click to logical 5 argument. There we will write E5 greater than equal to 8,000. If all the condition is fulfilled, then answer should be true, otherwise false. After doing all this, press enter or click OK. In I5 cell, true is written. It means all the condition is fulfilled. We can cross check it whether we have written formula is right or not. In H5 there is yes, it means monthly target is achieved. In B5 cell the amount is more than 8,000. In B5 amount is 9,550. It is more than 8,000. It means it is right. In C5 cell amount is 9,230. It means it is more than 8,000. It is right. In D5 cell amount is 8,500. It is more than 8,000. It means it is right. All the condition is fulfilled. So according to AND function rule, if all the condition is fulfilled, the statement must be true. Therefore, in I5 cell, true statement is written. Now we know our formula is right. Now we will drag it up to I9 cell like this. Now we will move to second way to explain you. Before that, first we will clear the cell from I5 to I9. Condition will be same. Salesperson should achieve monthly target and weekly target also of rupees 8,000. So first we will click to I5 cell and then we will press equal sign and then we will write AND. Then we will do double click. Then we will click to FX. New window will appear in front of us. It is called function argument. According to first condition, salesperson should achieve monthly sales target of rupees 34,000 or more, and it is already we have figured out in H5 cell in was goal met column. So in logical one argument we will click to H5 cell. Now first click to logical 2 argument. Before we have used all 4 week one by one. What if we will use all those 4 week in one logical test? Let's find it out. How? In logical 2 argument, we will select all 4 week from B5 to E5. Then write greater than equal to 8,000. This complete formula means if salesperson has achieved monthly sales target of rupees 34,000 or more and salesperson has achieved weekly sales minimum 8,000 or more, if both the condition is fulfilled by salesperson, then answer should be true, otherwise false. After this, now click OK. The moment we click OK, answer came true. It means all condition is fulfilled. To find out of all the salesperson, just drag it down like this. In first way and in second way, answer is same. It means both the formula is right. We can use any way to find out the answer. Like this, we can use multiple function in one formula. Try it out this nesting function or multiple function in your Excel worksheet, and I will see you in next video.